a never-ending story. Listen carefully and read with me. Once there was a king. He loved stories. Tell me a story. He sighed all the time.
जोरात वाच.
At the end of the story, he sighed and then what happened next? Nothing. This is the end. Sighed the story. Said the storyteller. Tell me a story that has no end. I want a never-ending story. The storyteller thousand thought and thought all his stories and had an end. He could not think of a never-ending story. Then he had a bright
idea.
He began to tell a new story. Once there was a king. He lived in a big place. The place had a big kitchen and a big storehouse. There were big heaps of grain in the storehouse. There was a hole in the wall of the storehouse. A little sparrow saved the hole and swept them inside the storehouse. Then he picked a grain and flew away. What happened next? Said the king. Then another sparrow saw the hole, fill in, picked a grain and flew
Away.
on. And then what happened next? Then a third sparrow the whole fill in, picked a grain and flew away. And then a fruit sparrow
Fourth sparrow.
saved the saw the whole. The story went on and on like this. Even on now the storyteller is telling the king this story about the grants and the sparrows. See, you don't believe me. You can go there and see for yourself.